Hey, what is up everyone? So today, apparently this camera has been acting up, so I will be using my little Akaso camera that I purchased a while ago but never used it. And for this week, as you guys can tell, my dog is right here behind me. We will be going to the vet. You know, he has to get some of his shots done. And this is actually his first time inside the Focus ST. It's a very new car for him. He's actually been sniffing around, smelling it, and we're gonna see how friendly is this ST with my dog. I mean, every dog is different, but you know, let's go. So this is the first startup. You okay with it? But my dog's fairly familiar with being inside a car. He's been inside the Versa way many times. He's been inside of it almost every weekend since he was a puppy, and I would always take him along with me everywhere I would go. Now he's gotten a little bit bigger, as you guys can tell, and it's just, you know, there's not a lot of places I can go and take him with anymore. As a, you know, while he was a puppy, people like puppies. So it has been raining outside of here for a good, you know, morning or so. So we're gonna take it a little bit slow, just because I don't want, especially because he's here too. So the other thing about him is that he's not used to being having the full-on end of his car, or the whole back end to himself. He's usually just used to just having the two back seats, and that's it. But I did buy a new, you'll see here in this one clip before, on how he enters the car and how easy it is for him. But this is a fairly new cover that I bought for him. That way he can get used to the car. It's okay. It's okay. The other thing about this is, unfortunately, since it is a little bit rainy outside, I cannot lower the windows, and I don't have a seatbelt either, because as is being a hatchback, the only thing that you don't have is the seatbelt buckles fully out there. So I can't use how I had him before, because before I would open the window and I felt safe opening it for him, as long as I had the seatbelt buckle for him. So it's kind of like a leash, and it just goes into the seatbelt buckle, and that was it. So that way you know that in case you open the window, he won't jump out in case he sees something he wants, or he won't accidentally just fall out. So yeah, unfortunately I don't have that for him. As you guys can see now, there's actually some of his hair, because he's been shedding so far, and I haven't been able to take away all of his shedding. And since he doesn't have his vaccines and everything and up to date, so that's what we're taking him in for today. I definitely need to be able to get those, that way he can get groomed. The good news is that in my next video that I will be coming out with, I will most definitely make a video on how to take away these hairs, any stains he might have left inside the car. I saw this kit and I wanted to try it out, so we'll do a review on that on my next video. Piss on my car? That's actually not a lie. He enjoys being up there. That's his thing. He always stays here. When he was a puppy, he would actually just sit on the passenger seat, but I never got a car cover for that. So the Versa actually had like really stains and everything on the car, and since I really didn't care much about that car, I never really bothered to really clean it up as nicely as I should have. So him right now in this car, I'm actually, me, myself, and I is just freaking out. I don't want him to dirty it or do something that I'm going to get mad at about, because of the same reason that, you know, it's a nice car. It's a brand new car. You don't want, you know, anything to happen to it either. So I have to balance out my life as the car that I like, and, you know, I want to make it look nice every single time. And one of my pets, you know, he's my only pet, but the one that you want to make sure that he also behaves inside your car. So at the end of the day, how pet friendly or dog friendly could your Focus STB. Honestly, I think it's just like every other car. See, I'm braking and he's not anticipating it. And we're just going at 10 miles an hour. See? Another light braking. My dog's just broken, so don't worry about that part. It's okay, you are broken. But I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions regarding, you know, what kind of dog he is, if you guys don't know yet, he is a German Shepherd Husky. I'll link his, you know, I'll just put right here is where his Instagram is going to be at as well. You guys can go ahead and follow him there. It's not as active, but you guys can follow him. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.